English lecture. Today is Monday, 26 April 2021, and today we will discuss about the preposition and its type, time and place. So let's start the preposition. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun, pronoun and some other words in the sentences. Means that these are the key words which join the sentence as well. First of all, we will discuss about the preposition of place. Prepositions of place are used to show the position or location of one thing in relation to another. Preposition क्या करते हैं? ये यूज़ किए जाते हैं किसी पोजीशन और लोकेशन को एक चीज़ के दूसरे चीज़ से, दो चीज़ों के दरमियान का जो रिलेशन होता है, उनकी जो पोजीशन होती है, उसको प्रीपोजिशन शो करते हैं. हाउ? Preposition of place are words like in, on, under, over, by, at, across, behind, in front of and between. So look at this picture. The rabbit is behind the box. So the preposition is behind. Move forward. Now, where is the rabbit? In front. So in front is the preposition which will be used to show the position or to explain the position of rabbit. It is in, over, between, under, on. Now, preposition of time. What is the preposition of time? A preposition of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss a specific time period such as date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time something takes place. प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम क्या होता है? एक ऐसी प्रीपोजिशन जो कि अलाउ करती है, डिस्कस करती है स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड को, जैसे कि आपके कैलेंडर पे आपकी डेट्स, आपके डेज, आपके वीक या फिर कोई भी करेक्ट टाइम. हाउ? These are the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, these are the dates on your calendar. When we are talking about time, we use in, on, at. In, on, at. How? Look at this picture. At. How we use the at? There are many ways you can use the word at for referring to time. At plus specific time. For example, at 5 o'clock. I get up at 5 o'clock. I sleep at 6 o'clock. I do my work at 12 a.m. I come back to my home at 12:30 a.m. So at is used before the time, or a specific time will be used after the at. At a period of time, at noon, at night, at midnight, at the weekend. In previous slide, we mentioned the hours, okay, the time, and here we are also mentioned the time, but we are telling or describing the different phases of your day: noon, night, midnight or weekend. Now, at a festival, at Christmas festival, at Eid festival, Easter, another meal, at breakfast, I take for suppose yogurt in the at a breakfast. I took beef at lunch, at dinner. So at plus specific time, at a period of time, at a festival, at a meal. At is using for the time of the day: 5 o'clock, midnight, lunchtime, sunset. In this expression, how we are using: at the weekend, at present, at the moment, at night, okay, at Christmas, at the same time. तो हम इस तरीके से at को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Move on. Days of the week: on Sunday, on Monday, on Friday. You will come to my home on Sunday. We will play on Sunday. We will have a great or pleasure time on Sunday. Specific date: on July 11 or on the 11th of July, on 23rd July, on the 23rd of July. So we use on